What if you could build a $10,000 a month AI content business in 90 days from scratch? This is all about ContentRyte. This is my personal review. There's going to be this webinar coming up, and I want to provide you with my 2 cents on this. I've reviewed this webpage before the masterclass, and I put together my thoughts about it. And this is coming from well over a decade worth of experience online interpreting all this stuff here, and I do have like a BS sniffer here to look at what I think this is all about. And so for me, when I see this, how to build $10,000 a month in 90 days, that's a red flag. If I can make $100,000 in 90 days and just keep on doing that and compound everything, I would be a multi-millionaire and would not be shooting this video. And I'm sure these people that created it, even though they might have made millions already, if they were able to ramp up that fast in any niche that they're trying to pimp, then I don't think they would be doing this either. So I don't know these two guys, but I'm going to give you again my thoughts about this because I don't like misleading people. And so I want to talk about my personal experiences and going through this process, which I've interpreted from their webpage. So, first of all, it says, what if you could build real online income without writing a single word yourself? That's the main idea, the hook that I see here. And this is going to be about AI and how you can use it. And that's what these guys are trying to push. And so Firas, Alameh, and Rahul Gupta, they present this AI-powered niche site system. And the whole idea is use AI and you can automate all this stuff and scale it. And a lot of people will think that AI can do, it's smart, it can do so much work and it could do it faster than humans. So that's kind of like the main concept that I got reading their page. So the core model is using software, programmatic SEO. Now it's called AEO, GEO, pretty much optimized for AI and Google. Google is now AI heavy as well. So affiliate marketing, display ads. If you think back with like Google AdSense, there are a bunch of other websites that provide display ads as well. And this could create multiple layers of income streams. That's the core model. Now, I want to say this. Does this type of niche site using SEO, AI, using affiliate links and display ads work? Yeah, it does. I use it myself. Been doing it for well over a decade. I say well over a decade because I actually started online when the internet pretty much was not used. So if that can give you an idea how long I've been in the game, the internet, I think back in 97 is when I started noticing computers pop up in a lot of households. I was using it way before that time. So just wanted to give you that heads up. Strengths, live demonstrations, like what they're trying to do. They're trying to build trust with you, trying to build up that know, like, trust factor, show you a demo, show you how easy it is using these multiple monetization paths. And also that can lead to helping you reduce a single source of dependency, especially when it comes to income. And there is an agency angle if you want to build out income streams for others, other business owners. And that is still something I've seen that's been around for well over a decade. Since AI came out, I have to say that the agency angle for niche sites, it's kind of gone down just because people typically, if you think about how people were doing it in the past, like myself, I'd hire a whole bunch of people from India or the Philippines. I'm here in Silicon Valley right now. And so people would hire out. And nowadays, a lot of that work can be done with AI. So challenges, heavy search engine reliance introduces algorithm risk. Nowadays, people are optimizing for places like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity. Even with those, things are changing constantly. And if you are going into something like, let's say, make money online, that's a niche that I'm part of, and other niches as well. Uh, make money online is extremely competitive. And so careful niche selection is important if you want to get results faster. And also, you're going to be creating programmatic content, which is pretty much AKA AI slop. So AI slop, it can be found by many of these AI detection systems. And I can say that I'm still able to rank that kind of content, but the main thing is that if you're able to build up your own audience, that's even better. And if you're able to build up your audience that really connects to you, it's not going to be this model. It can help boost that, but it wouldn't be the primary model that I would choose. You want to be authentic, and creating AI slop is not authentic to me. Uh, I do it, but it is not a core strategy. Some people might do it at scale, and that's when you're just creating tons and tons of content. Reality check here is that this is a modernized version of niche site building. Even back in the day, even in the early 2000s, people were creating crap websites using a lot of scraped content and just reworded in different ways. So this is a newer process of that. And execution, patience, positioning, it's always going to be the case if you're doing organic. If you are not paying for ads, you got to have some patience. Does it work? My final thing on this, whether it works or not, it can work. People are making money off of it. It just depends if that's what you want to do. Just creating tons and tons of AI slop kind of content to make money from affiliate ads and display ads and stuff like that. If you want something more simple, if you want to build authority, if you want to make high profit income online, there's another way to do it. Check out Map Syndicate. That's my website, by the way, and you'll learn from a lot of my bonuses on how you could build a business and be authentic. Whether you want to use AI slop or not, that's up to you, but you'll see some free options on that website. And here's the thing I want to leave you with is that clear structure beats hype. Simple systems, steady execution often outperform flashy promises. Choose tools that help you stay consistent and focused. Here's the thing, guys. If you want to build a business online using just foundational concepts, even concepts that have been around for many, many, many decades, applying it online, being very consistent, it's going to outperform all this flashy stuff. So just want to leave you with that. And of course, check out mapsyndicate.com, my website, and get a bunch of free goodies from there. This is Charles Draven. Check it out. Take care.